Hey everyone, I'm CEO Lokesh Wadhwa and I welcome you all to our YouTube channel. So in this video, we are going to talk about a very important topic at a GST, which is e-invoice. And we will cover the questions like what is e-invoice? And the second question is who all are able to create e-invoice in the GST? And third question is how we can create e-invoice. So basically before starting the video, let me just give you a brief idea that how you can create e-invoice. So basically we have two options. Either we can create e-invoice through a portal notified by the GST authorities, or we can create e-invoice through a third-party application called Swipe. So basically this Swipe application is integrated with your GST portal and you can create e-invoice through this application within just 10 to 15 seconds. So let me just share my screen and I will explain you the provisions of GST e-invoice, and I will also show you that how you can create e-invoice through a portal notified by the GST authorities or through this application, which is Swipe. So let me just share my screen.
So here we are starting with very first question, that is what is e-invoicing. So e-invoicing or electronic invoicing is a system in which B2B invoices and few other documents are authenticated electronically by the GSTN for the further use on the common GST portal. So what does it actually means is invoices means electronic invoicing by the name it suggests, and here only B2B invoices, that is business to business invoices, has to be generated, which will be authenticated electronically by the goods and services tax network. Okay, and for which can be the details of invoicing can be used by the common GST portal. And what does common GST portal here means is e-way bill portal or GST return portal. So once you have created your e-invoice now, all your details will be auto-populated in the e-way bill portal as well as in your GST return portal also. Okay, so you need not to duplicate your work there. So the second question is applicability of e-invoicing provisions. So in India, the provisions of e-invoicing were applied in a six-phase manner. Okay, so recently the fifth phase were applied from 1st October 2022. And what does it mean is, if the SESI has turnover of more than 10 crores in any of the preceding financial year, starting from 17-18 financial year, then such a SESI has to follow the provisions of e-invoicing and has to generate e-invoice. And if the SESI has more than 5 crore turnover, then the provision of e-invoicing will be applicable from 1st January 2023. Okay, and we have one interesting question here. That is, if the SESI has more than one GST number across India in different states, then do we need to club all the turnovers of different states? Then the answer is yes. If the SESI has more than one GST number, then SESI has to club all the turnovers. Okay, so now we are moving towards the third question, that is how we can create e-invoice through a GST portal or through a Swipe application.
So this is the e-invoicing portal, and here from help section under tools, you can download the JSON file in which you have to mention all the e-invoicing details. From here I'm downloading the same, and let me just open the Excel sheet. Yeah, here it is. And here from starting with a column and ending with ch, you have to mention all the details which is applicable on your supplier or maybe customer. Okay, so after adding all these details here, you have to go on the GST portal again, and you have to come here in the e-invoice bulk upload, and you have to choose your JSON file by browsing it, and then you can upload it. Okay, so that's how you can prepare your e-invoicing through GST portal, and we have a Swipe application as well.
So this is the Swipe application which I was talking about. The address is getswipe.in, and now I'm just moving towards the end of this application just to let you know the features of this website. So here we reached out to the features section, and you can generate e-invoice with this website. You can generate e-way bill, and likewise you have multiple options, like you can generate delivery challan, you can generate e-edit bills, you can generate GSTR reports, you can customize invoices. But just sticking to the e-invoice portion, just log in here, and after that you have to create your invoice. So just let me tell you one thing, before creating e-invoice you have to create your invoice first with the Swipe application. Okay, so we are starting with the invoice first. The invoice here, yeah, and you can create invoice by clicking here. You can select your customer, like I am selecting Kumar Reddy here. Yeah, and you can select your product as well, like I'm selecting Monster Energy here. You can also add quantity. You can also add comment if any you want to add, and you can see the amount, total amount here. You can also add your signature. Just save it, and after that your invoice is ready. You can just view it by clicking here. See, your invoice is ready. And now let me just tell you that how you can create e-invoice by just one click. Okay, just click here and create e-invoice, click, and your e-invoice is ready. That's it. You need not to do anything else. Your e-invoice is ready. You can also see the e mark there. Just go on the e-invoice section. You can see your e-invoice is ready. If you want to view it, you can just view, click here, and see your e-invoice is ready and your IRN number is also here. Okay, this is very simple, right? You need not to do anything else now. Your e-invoice is fully ready. And now let me just tell you one more thing. You can also create or see multiple reports here. Like you can see the reports for GSTR1, GSTR2B, GSTR3B, and with these reports you can file your returns on the GST portal. You just need to select the period here, whatever the period you want to select. Okay, and just download it. Your JSON file will be ready, and you can see you can, with the help of this, you can file your return as well. Okay, so I think this is very simple. You can just create your e-invoice by just one click. The only thing is that before creating e-invoice, you have to create your invoice with this Spark application. Okay.
So this is all about the provisions of e-invoicing under GST. And I hope that now you guys have some more insights about the e-invoicing provisions. And I also hope that you like the application of Swipe. And if you want to purchase any of their plans, then you can purchase by the link given in the description box and you can get 25% discount. So thanks for watching this video guys, and we will meet in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.